Hey, my name is Fabian. I'm a product manager at Stanley Black & Decker and I'm responsible for our ride-on products in the European market. One of the best parts of my job is to use our great products and to talk about them. Today I'm going to show you our LR2 NR76. Let's start with the naming. The LR is the product category and stands for Lawn Rider. The 2 shows that it is a step-up series of the LR range with comfortable hydrostatic transmission and some additional features we will talk about in a second. The N indicates the size of the engine, in this case a strong 439cc Cub Cadet engine, which is perfectly matched to our products and provides the power for a nice and clean cut. The R stands for rear discharge, what means that this is a machine which collects the grass at the rear back. And the 76 is the cutting width in centimeters, what is the right deck size for areas up to 2,500 square meters, but equally appropriate for everybody who has a smaller property and simply wants to enjoy the more comfortable way of mowing with a ride-on product. Now let's talk about the features. The mower has bright LED headlights which allow you to finish the job even in the twilight. The 4.9 liter gas tank holds enough gasoline to get the job done without multiple times of refilling, and like the oil dipstick, the tank is easily accessible. The model has a big 200 liter grass collection bag, which also helps to be more efficient due to less emptying operations. And the bag full indicator shows you immediately when the airflow stops, what means that the bag is full. The user has enough space for the legs and the feet, what makes the mowing operation much more ergonomic. And of course, the seat can be adjusted to meet your needs. The machine is equipped with big tires, what provides a larger contact surface to protect the lawn and helps to ensure good traction. And last but not least, the mentioned 76 cm cutting deck. This is double the size of an average walk-behind mower, what leads to much more efficient cut and helps to save your time for things that are possibly even more fun than mowing your lawn with a Cub Cadet rider. Next, I will show you how to use the product. Press the brake pedal on the left hand side, unlock the parking brake, choose your deck height and then adjust the throttle lever to the level you want to. But be careful, a lower RPM setting does not only reduce the drive speed but also the blade speed and can impact the cut quality. Make yourself familiar with the two-way hydro drive pedal. Press it at the front end to drive forward, press it to the rear end to drive backwards. Very intuitive. Check that there is nobody and nothing on the mowing area. Turn around the key whilst you are pressing the brake pedal, activate your mowing deck, release the brake pedal and let's go. This mower provides a lot of the benefits of a lawn tractor, like a more efficient and comfortable cut, but in a very compact design. The mower fits through almost each yard door and takes significantly less storage space than a tractor. It is the perfect product for every residential who has some square meter to handle and wants to be faster than with a usual walk-behind mower, or simply wants to enjoy the higher comfort of mowing in the seated position. Wow, I love our great products. Visit your local dealer, which you can find on our website cubcadet.eu, give it a try and you will know what I mean.